What if I told you the tale of an ancient coin discovered in a forgotten tomb that bore an inscription no one could decipher? This mysterious coin sparked a global hunt for its origins, leading experts through the labyrinth of history to uncover its story, a journey that beautifully mirrors our modern understanding of money, understanding money's role. Join us as we translate the story of this ancient coin into the enigmatic world of currency, exploring not just the tangible cash or digital numbers, but unraveling the pivotal roles money plays in our lives. As of 2021, approximately 92% of the world's currency is digital, as reported by the International Monetary Fund. From its powerful influence on our daily decisions to the intricate systems that manage and circulate it, this journey will reveal how money shapes our society and impacts the economy. Economist Dr. Emily Tran remarks, "Money isn't just a medium of exchange, it's a conduit of power and a determinant of societal structure." We will also explore Sweden's case study, a nation nearing the transition to the world's first cashless society, highlighting how digital advancements in currency are reshaping economic interactions. Exploring money management. Discover the complex frameworks and institutions involved in the orchestration of financial flows, ensuring money serves its purpose across various facets of our lives. Distribution of money. Understand the mechanisms behind the distribution of money from banks to markets and its profound effects on everything from large corporations to individual consumers. In this journey, we've connected the dots from an ancient coin to the profound influence of modern money, explored its complex management systems, and examined its distribution mechanisms. Now, we encourage you to dive deeper, redefine your relationship, and continue to explore of money. If you're intrigued by this, hit like, share, and subscribe to join. Have you ever noticed how differently people use money in their daily lives? Take my neighbor, for instance, who meticulously saves every extra penny for future travel, while my brother uses his spare cash to buy vintage comic books. Money, a versatile tool, adapts to our unique needs and desires. Today we'll explore the many roles and forms money takes and how it seamlessly fits into various aspects of our lives. At its core, money acts like a convenient middleman in our daily transactions, replacing the need to barter goods and services directly. Money simplifies the exchange process, making it efficient and scalable, according to Dr. Susan Choi, a professor of economics at Stanford University. Imagine the complexity of trading your home-baked cookies for someone's knitting every time you wanted something new. Thankfully, with money, trading becomes straightforward, without the hassle of matching wants and needs. But there's more. Money also serves as a way to keep score. It sets a standard value for items we buy and sell. With everything priced in the same currency, it becomes much easier to compare and determine what's a fair trade. Price tags are essential to a functioning economy, observes financial historian Dr. Mark Thomas. Additionally, money functions like a savings jar, allowing you to reserve your purchasing power for future use, which is crucial for planning and sustaining economic stability. A study in the Journal of Economic Perspectives illustrates that with stable currencies tend to experience less volatility, greater economic growth. And consider this, money isn't just the physical coins and bills that jingle in your pocket. It also exists digitally, from the virtual cash in video games to the figures displayed in your online banking account. According to the Bank of International Settlements, digital transactions have surged by 80% in the last decade, drastically changing our perceptions and interactions with money. Think about the last time you used money in a non-traditional form. Comment your story. At the dinner table, the Johnson family discusses how their savings are impacted by broader economic policies. It's amazing how much influence these big financial institutions have on our everyday lives, remarks Mr. Johnson, a high school economics teacher. He explains to his children that banks like JP Morgan Chase, and HSBC, along with central banks like the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank, play vital roles in shaping the economy. They not only safeguard money and provide loans, but also stimulate economic growth by creating credit. For instance, a case study by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York illustrates how after the 2008 financial crisis, strategic lending practices helped stabilize the economy by increasing the money supply through credit creation. This process is underpinned by the fractional reserve system, allowing banks to lend multiples of the reserves they hold. Mrs. Johnson, a small business owner, notes that according to financial reports, managed a reserve ratio of 10% on deposits totaling $500 million. thereby lending out up to $450 million. This effectively increases the money supply, as detailed by economist Robert M. Solow in his analysis, Theories of Credit and the Money Supply. As family discusses, they touch upon the impact of changes in exchange rates, influenced by factors including economic indicators, market speculation, and geopolitical events, as explained by economist James Rickards in his book, Currency Wars. The dynamic nature of exchange rates plays a crucial role in determining how much one currency is worth in another, affecting everything from the cost of groceries to the value of their savings. Ever wondered how these institutions impact your wallet? Share your thoughts in. On her journey across continents, Emma, a keen traveler and amateur economist, experienced firsthand the erratic dance of the global economy. In one country, she noted the steep cost of bread and transportation, a clear sign of the inflation that the local news channels reported at a worrying 2.5% increase over just 6 months. Another nation offered a stark contrast, where prices had plummeted so drastically that local businesses struggled to stay afloat, reminiscent of Japan's deflation woes in the 1990s. This real-world observation of inflation and deflation painted a vivid picture of the economic theories she had only read about. Central banks, aptly described as the referee's complex game by economist Paul Krugman, strive to maintain equilibrium. In the interconnected world Emma traveled, the flow of capital from one nation profoundly impacted others through channels of commerce and investments. Exchange rates oscillated much like boats on a wavy sea, contingent on the health of economies, a notion underlined by the sharp depreciation of the US dollar against the euro during the 2008 financial crisis. Understanding the mechanics of money through her travels gave Emma a fascinating glimpse of economic systems, financial and even personal budgets. As emphasized by financial expert Robert Kiyosaki, proved essential for navigating the intricate financial world she traversed. If you found this global journey enlightening, like, share, and subscribe for more insights.